Have you ever been stopped by the police and wondered, can they search my phone without a warrant? Well, the answer might surprise you, and knowing your rights could protect you from serious legal trouble. Welcome to Legal Insight USA, where we break down complex U.S. laws into simple, everyday language. If you live in America or plan to, this video could be one of the most important things you watch. So let's get into it. In today's world, your smartphone is basically your entire life. Photos, messages, passwords, banking info, personal files, everything. But what happens if a police officer pulls you over or stops you on the street and asks, "Can I take a look through your phone?" Do you have to say yes? Can they force you to unlock it? Here's the short answer. In most situations, police need a warrant to search your phone. That's because of a major ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court in 2014 called Riley v. California. The court said that searching your phone without a warrant violates the Fourth Amendment, which protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Why? Because phones carry massive amounts of private data, far more than a wallet or car glove box. That means the law treats them differently. So, can the police ever search your phone without a warrant? Yes, but only under very specific exceptions. 1. Consent. If you say sure, go ahead. You've just waived your rights. They don't need a warrant anymore. Point 2. Emergency situations. If they believe a crime is happening and evidence might be destroyed immediately, they may argue a legal exception. 3. Border checks at the U.S. border or international airport. Phone privacy rights are weaker. 4. If you're on probation or parole, you may have signed away certain search protections as part of your terms. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine someone is pulled over for speeding. The officer sees the person texting and asks to look at the phone. The person agrees. Inside, the officer finds suspicious messages, maybe even related to drugs or theft. Now that evidence is usable in court. Why? Because the person gave consent without realizing the legal impact. So what should you do if police ask to search your phone? 1. Stay calm and polite. Always 2. Say clearly, "I do not consent to any searches." 3. Don't argue. Tone, unlock your phone. 4. Ask, "Am I being detained or am I free to go?" 5. If they insist, don't resist physically. Let your lawyer handle it later. Remember, refusing a search is not a crime. It's your constitutional right. Another important thing, your phone's password. PIN or face unlock is protected differently. They can't force you to give your passcode, but if your phone unlocks with your fingerprint or face, some courts allow officers to use your finger or face without consent. So consider disabling biometric unlock if privacy is a concern. In summary, police generally need a warrant to search your phone. Never give consent unless you truly want to protect your phone with a strong passcode and know your rights before it's too late. Your phone holds your life. Don't hand it over without knowing the law. Thanks for watching Legal Insight USA. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Have a question? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because your legal rights matter more than ever. Stay smart, stay protected, stay legally aware.